There are several sources of air pollution. The most important are traffic, domestic heating systems, industry, agricultural activities, and natural events. To evaluate the specific and detailed value of air pollution and to detect its sources, we have created a platform that collects data from satellites such as ground temperature, weather conditions, and traffic. It analyzes them and compares them with real-time air pollution measurement coming from the movable sensor we designed. It detects the most harmful pollutants for human health, and it has some crucial characteristics that make it very flexible and reliable. We will install our sensor on movable public infrastructures to create an active and detailed network. At the core of this system, we embed an intelligent algorithm with a fluid dynamic model that matches both the macro information coming from satellites to the ones coming from the network of movable sensors.